it's me, Sophia. I'm 12 years old and I live in California. And today I wanted to talk about idioms. An idiom is a phrase that people use very frequently, but they don't mean what they say. So one example is, the early bird catches the worm. So if someone's talking to you and someone says, "Oh, the early bird catches the worm," then they don't mean like an actual bird comes and catches a worm. They mean something else, something more metaphorical. It isn't a literal meaning. So now let's go into it a bit deeper. It means the early bird catches the worm. Think about what it might mean. You're early and then you get the prize. If you're early to something or early to an event or anything of the sort, you get a prize. So don't be late, be early. That's what this means, because when you're early, you will get the prize or the reward. The early bird catches the worm. Follow me. The early bird catches the worm. One more time. The early bird catches the worm. Good job, and thank you so much for listening. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Sophia, and I looked at my subscribe count this morning and I saw that it was 1,500. There's so many of you now, and thank you all so much for it. I've been making videos for almost 2 years, about a year and a half, and this is like a huge milestone because 1,500, think about it, that is a lot of people. And I just want to thank you guys so much for staying with me for this long.